What are the hottest things men do that they don't realize are hot? 1. An ex of mine once got turned on when I told her I put a hand on the wall when I pee. I'm not sure I fully understand that one. 2. My wife has told me that taking my shirt off with one hand is a thing. That kinda blew my mind. 3. My heart does a little flip each time my significant other ever so slightly puts his hand on my back when we're walking to guide me or if he's trying to squeeze by behind me. I don't know why that gets me fired up, lol. 4. I once changed a radiator in my house, and that, without a doubt, got me more attention and flattery from the women in my life than anything else I've ever done. 5. Something rolled up sleeves. 6. There was a study done in Japan to see what school-aged girls found attractive in their male counterparts, and running fast was, like, number 1 or 2 for elementary and middle schoolers. 7. Carrying as many folding chairs as you can at once. 8. I find men who show their caring, gentle, and soft side very attractive. Like being gentle with siblings, friends, and animals. It makes me feel safe. 9. Getting super excited talking about a nerdy interest they care about. A lot of guys